Well, there was no being lazy when you grow up on a ranch. You got to get out there, whether it's get up at 4 in the morning, whether it's shoveling stalls, whatever it is, you just have to go and do it, no complaining. And so I think it really did shape us to who we are today. That was one thing with this show is a lot of these homeowners were thinking it's just taking it easy, having a slower pace outside the city and enjoying the view. And that's one part of it, but there's also all that other stuff.
You learn some work ethic. I actually thought it was pretty nostalgic shooting the show because every time we finished filming at the end of every day, the producer would come to us and say, "Hey, you told a story about, when the two of you would ride one horse at the same time when you were kids. Do you have a picture of that?" And every day we would go looking through our old albums to find pictures. And
Memories.
that was, yeah, sparking new memories that we hadn't thought about in a long time. But there's nothing like the ranch life. There's nothing like, even though it's a lot of hard work, the reward is there. And having those nights, I remember we'd have like a campfire and my dad would be playing the guitar. My dad, not our dad.
Yeah, only his dad, yeah.
And we'd sit around the campfire and just watch the stars, and it's so beautiful. So you really get the stuff that you can never quite get in the city.